Today we're going to be looking at the Make It page, letter L. So again, this is another one. First thing I'm going to do is pull it off my packet. So we're just going to be looking at this sheet. You will need your glue and your scissors and your colors for this sheet. And what we're going to do is I already colored mine. You can color it any colors you would like. That's up to you. I chose black because I really like black sheep. I think they're very unique. So here is my black sheep. But you can color yours any color you would like. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut the big part off first. And then I'm going to cut on those dotted lines. So there's the first part. It almost looks like a cloud. That's a part of a big fluffy sheep. And so looking at the directions, it says number 1 is coloring. I did that on my own. Now we're cutting. So then I'm going to take the other sheet and I'm going to cut out that label. The label. Remember, the label is what tells us what it is. Usually it's one word. This one is LL lamb. And then I have his head. His head is kind of tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this part first, and then I'm going to try to cut it closer once I have that piece. And remember, I'm not moving the scissors. I'm just moving my hand around as I slowly put my fingers down. So I'm slowly squeezing. As I squeeze, they go down a little bit more. So there's my head. Now you can do the back of one of the other pages, like the Monday, the part that says Monday, you can do it on the back of that. Or you, if you have the construction paper, you can use that. I like to use the back of the Monday just so it's all together. Then you're going to take your glue, and just like the picture, you're going to glue your lamb together. So I'm just going to I'm putting glue on the back side, not the side I colored, but the other side. And I'm going to glue it to my page. Then I'm going to take my label and I'm going to glue it onto my page by my lamb. And then I'm going to take the head, put some glue on it, and then glue it down. So there's my lamb. And then the last step, according to the directions, is to give it 4 legs. Lambs have 4 legs. So I'm going to give it 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's its legs. Okay, so now you listened to Mary Had a Little Lamb. So it goes, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day. School one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And I know there's another verse, but we're not going to worry about that. What we're going to do is we're going to be changing those words. So instead, we are going to say, you're going to put your name into the story. So my name's Amanda. So mine would be, Amanda had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Amanda had a little lamb. Its fleece was, mine is black as coal. And everywhere that I went, I went, I went. Everywhere that I went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed me to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed me to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So I changed it. So I have the words on the lesson plan for you to change your name. And then also, if you didn't color it white, you can color it whatever color you want. You're going to put that in. So its fleece was black as coal, or rainbow as a drop of rain, or red as a berry, or blue as the sky, green as the grass, yellow as the sun, pink as a rose, whatever you want to call it. You're going to make your own nursery rhyme using your name and whichever way you colored your lamb. And then you're going to say it with someone. Okay, I can't wait to see them. Good job, you guys. Kiss your brain.